Good morning everyone. My name is Zia. She is mine and she is Zainab. I study in 6th standard. My teacher name is Miss Anjali Mehra. Solar system. My group name is Sun.
Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made up of ice and rock particles. Earth is known as blue planet. Neptune is coldest planet in our solar system.
Good morning everyone. I am Zainab. Our solar system is made up of stars. The sun, 8 planets, 146 moon, a bunch of comets, asteroids and space rocks. Thank you.
I hope you all like our model.